It is Monday, March 30th, and we are ready for language. I have my vocabulary list out, and so should you. You are on page 103, and you're looking with me. So far, we have talked about optimistic, complicated, illiterate, controversy, valor, agility, and today is number 22, wary. 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 Say it with me. Wary. Definition: alert to possible danger. Sentence: the children were wary of strangers. Synonym: cautious. Antonym: reckless. Okay, this is a wonderful word for today because we are wary of being around other people, so we are staying at home. Wary means I am being cautious. I'm a little bit afraid, and so I'm going to do what needs to be done. She was wary about the situation of her car, so she didn't drive it, or she took it to the mechanic. Wary means, well, the definition says alert to possible danger. So you're a little concerned. You realize that there could be some danger there, so you're not going to mess with it. She didn't lift the rock. She was wary to lift the rock because she thought there might be a snake under it. Okay, so wary, you're a little bit nervous. So I want you to think of a situation where you would be wary of something. Give me a good sentence. Give me a good subject. Give me a good situation, and use that word wary. They were wary of strangers. I was wary of the situation. You don't wary, it's not a verb. You were wary. Okay? It's an adjective here. Cautious. Not reckless. Okay? And in your comments below, I'm going to be looking for a good sentence for the word wary. That's what I'm going to be looking for today. Okay? Now, let's go over our pronoun jingles today. These little pronouns hanging around take the place of all the nouns with a smile and a nod and a twinkle of the eye. Give those pronouns a big high five. Yay! There are 7 subject pronouns that are easy as can be. I and we, he and she, it and they and you. Again, and I'm going to clap this time. There are 7 subject pronouns that are easy as can be. I and we, he and she, it and they and you. All right, got it? So we're going to be looking for pronouns. We're also going to be looking at types of sentences that we're doing today. So look at page 14 with me. Number 1, I don't have on the screen. Number 1, what kind of sentence is that going to be? I drove to the city of Juneau in Alaska. That's a declarative sentence, right? And it starts with a subject pronoun. Now look at this sentence. Say it with me. This is number 2 on page 14. Look at the world map on the south wall in the city library. Who looked at the world map on the south wall in the city library? Who is looking? Look can't be the subject. Remember, this is going to be you understood subject pronoun. Okay, what is being said about you? You look, verb. Let's see if I can get that put up there for you. Verb. At, preposition. At what? Map, object of the preposition. What kind of map? World, adjective. The, article adjective. On, preposition. On what? Wall, object of the preposition. What kind of wall or which wall? South, adjective. The, article adjective. In, preposition. In what? Library, object of the preposition. What library? City, adjective. The, article adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. At the world map, prepositional phrase. On the south wall, prepositional phrase. In the city library, prepositional phrase. Period, command, imperative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Okay, so you see our prepositional phrases there. This is an imperative sentence because it is a command and it starts with a verb and it has an understood you as the subject. This is the subject pronoun. Okay, now I want you to look at your book and I want you to look at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and I want you to tell me what the other imperative sentence there is. There is one other imperative sentence. What number is it? Can it be 3? 3 starts with we flew. So there is a subject pronoun already in that sentence. So it can't be number 3. Look at number 4. Talk very softly. That one starts with a noun, doesn't it? Talk. So that one's going to be the other imperative sentence because it is telling somebody to do something. Okay? Now, lots of times when we go to write imperative sentences, we think that they have to be mean or commanding. Give me that now. It doesn't have to be that. It just means that you're not putting you're not doing it as a question, which sometimes makes it seem a little demanding, I think. But you're not putting the subject there. So, hand me that piece of paper, please. Go to the office and run this errand, please. It doesn't have to be a mean command. Okay, now we are going to look at number 5 together before we end, and I'll let you do the rest. We detoured around the city of Montpelier in Vermont yesterday. Who detoured around the city of Montpelier in Vermont yesterday? We, subject, pronoun. What is being said about we? We detoured, verb. Is there any detoured how? No, but there is a detoured when. Yesterday, adverb. Around, preposition. Around what? City, object of the preposition. The, article adjective. Of, preposition. Of what? Montpelier, object of the preposition. In, preposition. In what? Vermont, object of the preposition. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. Around the city, prepositional phrase. Of Montpelier, prepositional phrase. In Vermont, prepositional phrase. Yesterday is not part of a prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Nope. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Okay, now don't forget what I asked you. I asked you to put a sentence in the comment section giving me a good sentence using the word wary. 1, 2, 3, go.